Exercise.
Hey, you got double shirts, fool. You're not gonna get hurt, fool. I got scraped, dog. I'm bleeding from both sides. Anything about the little ice pack thingies?
No, can't do that. I went up and down my BS and that thing like 3 times. No problem.
That's a killer hill, fool.
Well, this thing's not.
And for us too.
It's just the rear brace the one.
Fool, I booked it down from there, fool. I thought I was gonna make it.
Huh?
I ran from there, fool, and like straight down.
What happened?
And then I stumbled on the rock. Oh, big rock, fool. I was like, hey, I got the helmet on, so fuck you, head first. That's just going on YouTube. Hey, you got a helmet on, fool. Don't even trip you off. Hey, you can fly head first. You got the helmet on. Nothing's gonna happen.
Fuck you. Roll down, fool.
Yeah, I went head down. I went head down first, fool. I didn't even put my arms, dude. I just went like Superman. You're done already, fool. Just run it down.
You see what the doctor say you gotta straight?
Hey, but I was stupid. I could have walked down normal, but yo quise correr. I was running like this. I fucking flew. Damn, I got fucked up, dog.
Huh?
I got fucked up, doggy.
You know what?
I got fucked up.
I don't know. If I touch my hand right here, it's hot. Push this part. I don't know.
All those heights.
Push right there, it's hot.